Girl, if you want to get your curls to look like this, then keep on watching. Okay, so it's a wig, but it's okay because it's mine, because I bought it. So this is the Up Down by Sensational Hair. The first thing I do, I get the back set up. So I did like 2 braids and I crisscrossed them, just whatever it takes to get your hair flat from the back. Then I do the front ponytail. This one's gonna be where I apply the weave ponytail. So I just leave 2 strings of hair out that I'm going to leave my regular curl so it looks more natural. Then I go in with my edges, just make sure to pull those babies back and make it look cute in the front. I always put a hair tie on the weave ponytail so it doesn't interfere when I am attaching it with my real hair. Get some bobby pins, and then I go in with the wig. This is the back part, so it has 2 clips in the front, 1 in the bottom, and then that drawstring to pull and secure. So I attach the 2 clips first, and then I attach the bottom one, and then I pull the drawstring. And now it's time to take care of my real hair, okay, from the front. So I use Curl La La, and I basically just use my fingers to make sure there's some curl definition in there to make it look nice. And that is it. Let me know your thoughts.